Hi, it's Mtuchi's OpenFn. In this video, I'll show you how you can use workflow templates in OpenFn. Let's get started. So, if you're struggling understanding what a workflow is in OpenFn, this is a video for you. So, we already have connectors, and this helps you connect to different systems. But you might be struggling to understand, okay, how do I really use these connectors? So in your project dashboard, go and create a new workflow. Once you click create a new workflow, you'll see a list of workflow templates. And if you click any of them, you'll see the actual full workflow. So we have description for what that workflow does, and you can also search by use case. So say I want to see payment workflow. I can search by payment, and I can see different workflow templates that are dealing with payment. For example, AI. I can see a couple of AI templates. Or for example, school, maybe tracker. There are a lot of tracker use case. So let's say I'm interested in payment workflow, and let me take a look at this one. So when you click it, you'll see there's a description of what that template does, and if you're interested in seeing what is available in these nodes, you can click create, and then you land to this workflow canvas which shows you all the nodes for that workflow, and you now have the ability to go through each node and look what codes are available. So for example, this is the first node. If I click edit, it will open up the editor, and I'll be able now to see the code for that workflow template. And we have tried to add some comments in each of the operations so that you understand what is happening there. There you have it. That's how you can get started with workflow templates. Now stay tuned for the next one, where I'm going to show you how you can use the AI assistant to create a workflow.